Hello dear students, and now you will study Act 1 Scene 3 which is going on. Here enter Antonio. In the scene, Antonio enters here. Bassanio says, this is Senior Antonio. Bassanio says, here is Antonio. Antonio has come. Now Shylock aside. On the stage, he thinks alone. He thinks by himself and says to himself, how like a fawning publican he looks. He looks like a flattering tax collector. He means Antonio. He looks like a flattering tax collector. I hate him for he is Christian. I hate him because he is a Christian. But more for that in low simplicity he lends out money gratis and brings down the rate of usance here with us in Venice. He says here, I hate him because he is a Christian, but even more because in his childish foolishness he lends money without interest. As you know, Shylock takes high interest. The money on which he gives as a loan. But Antonio does not take interest from anybody. Thus, he lends out money gratis and brings down the rate of usance here with us in Venice. He says he lends money without interest. Thus, he brings down the rate of interest for us in Venice. He brings down the rate of interest for us in Venice. If I can catch him once upon the hip, I will feed fat the ancient grudge I bear him. He says, if I can once catch him, I shall fully satisfy my old grudge against him. I will take revenge against him. I will take revenge to Antonio if I get any chance. He hates our sacred nation and he rails even there where merchants most do congregate on me, my bargains and my well-won thrift, which he calls interest. He says he hates our holy race. He abuses in places where most merchants get together. Publicly, he abuses me. My business deals and my hard-earned profits, which he calls by the name of interest. Though I earn the money by hard working, my hard-earned profit which I earn, he calls by the name of interest. This he does. Cursed be my tribe if I forgive him. May my tribe be cursed May my tribe be cursed if I forgive him. Means I will not forgive him. If I get any chance, I will not forgive him. I will take revenge. And he does in the, you see in the next stanzas. Bassanio says, Shylock, do you hear? As Shylock was lost in his own thoughts, Bassanio attacked him and said, Shylock, do you hear? Shylock, do you hear? Shylock says, I am debating of my present store, and by the near guess of my memory, I cannot instantly raise up the gross of full 3,000 ducats. He says, I am calculating how much cash I have at present. As far as my memory goes, I cannot immediately raise the full sum of 3,000 ducats. Probably I haven't 3,000 ducats at present. What of that? No problem. So what? What of that? Tubal, a wealthy Hebrew of my tribe, will furnish me. He says, no problem. If I haven't money, 3,000 ducats, no problem. Tubal, a wealthy Jew of my tribe. Tubal is his friend. Tubal is Shylock's friend. Tubal, a wealthy Jew of my tribe, will lend the money to me. He will lend money. He will lend the money to me. But wait, he says, but wait, how many months do you desire? For how many months do you want 3,000 ducats? To Antonio he says, rest you fair good seigneur, your worship was the last man in our mouths. He says, he said to Antonio, greetings my good sir, greetings my good sir, you have just been the subject of our conversation. You have just been the subject of our conversation. Antonio says, Shylock, albeit I neither lend nor borrow by taking nor by giving of excess, yet to supply the ripe wants of my friend, I'll break a custom. He says, Antonio says to Shylock, Shylock, I neither lend nor borrow. I neither lend nor borrow, taking another man's spare money, nor giving my own to anyone. However, in order to meet the immediate needs, of my friend, I am here. I shall break my habit. I shall break my habit. To Bassanio he says, is he yet possessed? How much you would? He asks Bassanio. Antonio asks Bassanio, has he been told how much money you require? He asked to Shylock, my friend has told you whether how much money does he require? Shylock says, 3,000 ducats. Yes, he told me 3,000 ducats he wants. Antonio says, and for 3 months? Shylock says, I had forgot 3 months, you told me so. Well then, your bond, and let me see But here you, methought, you said you neither lend nor borrow upon advantage. Shylock says, I had forgotten. Yes, it was for 3 months. You told me so. You reminded me so well. Then your bond. Okay. Well, then your bond. Let me see. But listen to my words. But listen to my words. It seemed to me that you mentioned that you neither lend nor borrow on interest. He says, it seemed to me that you mentioned that you neither lend nor borrow on interest. Antonio says, yes, I do never use it. I never do so. Shylock says, when Jacob gazed his uncle Laban's sheep, this Jacob from our holy Abraham was, as his wise mother wrought in his behalf, the third possessor, the third possessor. He was the third. He was the third possessor. Shylock says, when our prophet Jacob descended from our holy Abraham and grazed his uncle Laban's sheep, his clever mother planned on his behalf so that he became the third successor to the family property. Yes, he was the third. Antonio says, and what of him? Did he take interest? Antonio became very eager to know what happened. Antonio asked, what about him? Did he take interest? Shylock says, no, not take interest. Not, as you would say, deadly interest. Mark what Jacob did. No, he did not. Not as you understand the meaning of word today, which means direct interest. But note what Jacob did to Laban. What Jacob did. When Laban and himself were compromised, that all the inlings which were strict and pied should fall as Jacob's hire. This was a way to thrive, and he was blessed, and thrift is blessing if men steal it not. Shylock says, but note what Jacob did to Laban. He had agreed that the newborn lambs that were stripped or spotted should be Jacob's share as the payment of his services. That was the way to become rich. And he was blessed in doing so. All profit is a blessing if men do not steal it from others. All profit is a blessing if men do not steal it from others. Antonio says, this was a venture, sir, that Jacob served for, a thing not in his power to bring to pass, but swayed and fashioned by the hand of heaven. Was this inserted to make interest good? Or is your gold and silver ewes and rams? Or is your gold and silver ewes and rams? He says, that was an enterprise, that was a business, sir, for which Jacob worked, and it was not in his power to make it happen. It was not in his power to make it happen, it was controlled and designed by the hand of God. Because all the lambs were stripped and spotted. Because it was designed by the hand of God. Was this mentioned in order to justify the charging of interest? Or do you consider your gold and silver as ewes and rams? Shylock says, I cannot tell. I make it breed as fast, but note me near. I cannot tell you that I make my money increase as fast as ewes and rams, but listen to me, sir. Antonio says, mark you this, Bassanio. The devil can cite scripture for his purpose. Antonio says, listen to this, Bassanio. The devil can quote from the scripture when he wants to justify his purpose. An evil man putting an evil soul producing holy witness is like a villain with a smiling cheek, a goodly apple rotten at the heart. Oh, what a goodly outside falsehood hath. He says, an evil man putting forth holy arguments is like a villain with a smiling face and like an attractive apple which is rotten from inside. The apple is looking good, but it may be rotten inside. He says, holy argument, an evil man gives the holy argument is like a villain with a smiling face and like an attractive apple which is rotten from inside. Oh, what an attractive external appearance falsehood has. Falsehood has an attractive external appearance. He says, Shylock says, 3,000 ducats, that is a good round sum. 3 months from 12. Then let me see the rate. Shylock says 3,000 ducats, good. It is a big sum. 3 months from 12. There are 12 months. He says 3 months from 12. Yes, let me see the rate. The rate means the rate of interest. Now what happens? How, on what circumstances, in what condition he gives the loan to Bassanio, we will see, we will study in the next video. Thank you so much, students.